Astha, and guys, as you all can see, we have a guest on our channel. His name is Kishan, and guys, Kishan recently got selected with Infosys company for the position of system engineer. Guys, this video is really a special video, and you all will get so much information from Kishan's side, and this video will going to be very important because he has really worked hard to get this interview cracked. Okay, and he's going to share all his preparation tips, interview tips, how he cracked this Infosys company, all the details. So guys, please do watch till the end so that you'll get complete information about the interview procedure. Okay. Kishan, first of all, congratulations to you that you got shortlisted with Infosys company.
Thank you.
Yeah, Infosys is one of the really good companies.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kishan, actually, I really want to thank you that you come on our channel and share your experience with us. This experience will going to help so many candidates. Okay, so guys, let's start with today's video. First, I would like Kishan to introduce himself. Please, Kishan. Please tell me something about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I am Kishan Kumar, and I graduated from College of Engineering Management, Kolaghat, with 8.67 DGPA. And during my college day, I am not interested in IT company, and I am interested to join my core company related to my core field. But during this year, I'm not able to perform good in my core subject. So that's why I moved in IT sector. At first, I don't know what to do, how to start. That time, I primarily focus on aptitude part and basic programming question and some question regarding pseudocode that I practice and appear for TCS exams, and I cracked that exam and I attended interview. But at that interview, I'm not able to perform. I'm not more of a HR question or to give answer. I only answer those questions which are directly I got from YouTube or Google. So that's why at that time interviewer told me, your answer is totally based from YouTube, Google, not this is your answer. So that's why I rejected from TCS at that time. So interviewer told me, you are not prepared your own answer. Your answer is just copy paste. Okay. So at that moment, at that moment, I realized I have to prepare my own answer during interview. This is most important. Okay. So after that, I appear Accenture same day. I have a Accenture exam. So I appear that and I clear all the round. In Accenture, there are 2-3 rounds. First round is written round, second is coding, and third round is, I think, communication assessment. That is totally different from other. That is voice version test. Right. Accenture communication round. And yes, ma'am. I clear all the round and appear in interview. And in interview, they ask the same question, technical question, like some C programming related question and OOPS concept. They're a common question all company. Right. And I answer all the question. But at that time, I also did same mistake in HR question. Like they asked to me mostly question from my resume, okay. And I had something false in my resume which I don't know what my hobby, my interest, and a lot of things I just put whatever I don't know, many things. So that's why interviewer asked me, I'm not able to give answer. So after interview, interviewers told me that you have to prepare your own self answer, not just make your resume just to be attractive. It's more important. So that's time after a few days I got regret mail. Okay. Then after that I prepare for some more exams like IBM. Okay. And for IBM, before IBM examination, I just noted on what mistake I did earlier. And first I learned some programming language like C, Java, and at least one programming language you have to know for IT company. Right. Any one language, C, Java, Python, any one language. Okay. It helpful to you to clear coding round. Right. Every examination having a coding round. Yes. So and I practice some pseudocode question from C, Java, mixer, all of this basic question. Okay. So written, and I also simultaneously I also practice aptitude question That helps me to clear every examination. Written exams, I clear each and every examination.
Okay.
Written
You
portion.
used to clear all the written exams of all companies like
Yeah, ma'am.
Accenture, TCS,
Yes.
Wipro. But
IBM.
you faced
Yes, ma'am.
problem
Take
during the
one.
interview round only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So after that,
I prepare. After 3-4 rejection, I prepare. I took one notebook and I write what a question interviewer asked me in previous interview. And one thing common is I'm not able to explain my project because I did my project from BARC and my project is research oriented.
okay.
And I'm not able to explain that. I know, but I'm not able to explain. I noticed that from last some interview, I'm not able to explain my project. Project part is most important.
Right.
In some interview, the interviewer asked me only 2 to 3 questions. In IBM, they asked me, tell me about yourself and about your project, and some HR question only. Okay. One thing is common, project is utmost important. Right. So I prepare my project by any who can. So I will answer the question whatever they ask. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So after all these rejections, you come to know कि आपकी क्या mistakes थी and you work on that, right? Because yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You used to clear all the written examinations, but you faced problem only during HR interviews. HR interview and project later. Right. Because the scene is कि candidates अपना education complete करते हैं, engineering complete करते हैं. At that time, they don't focus much on their project work and their communication skills and their grooming, their interpersonal skills. So problem वही हो जाता है कि communication के दौरान they were not in condition to explain their points. Right? They know I'm sure you know everything, but you were not in the condition to explain them, right? So the thing is कि HR interviews as it is important, guys. बहुत important होता है to check your personality, right? So after facing all these rejections, you work on all those skills. Yes, ma'am. Communication. I missed one more thing. A communication skill. Earlier, I was whenever I went to this interview, most of the time I fumble. That fumbling also lack my chances at that time. Interviewer also told me that you have to grab the opportunity, try to grab the opportunity and focus on your lack area like communication skill in contingent interview. So I work on that. Yes. So okay, after that you went this Infosys company and you did your written test, online test, you clear all those tests? Infosys online? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So when was your interview? Ma'am, 5th June. 5th June. Okay. So now if you can share your experience with Infosys company, means after so many rejections, when you work on your skills and come up and attend the interview of Infosys company, how was your experience at that time? Because you got shortlisted with Infosys company, you got selected. Yes, I'm sure you have worked on your skills, right? Yes, so you can share your experience of Infosys company. Yes, ma'am. Before interview, I just note down what are my previous mistake. Okay. Yes, like first I wrote my communication skill. My communication skill not up to mark at that time. So a lot of fumbling happened when I speak. So that's first note down. Then second thing is tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself is most important question. It is game changer. It just changes a game for selection to rejection. Okay. And most of time I whenever interviewer asks me to tell me about yourself, I just answer in minimum 20 to 30 seconds. So 4 to 5 lakhs. That's I totally did a mistake. Okay. So during Infosys interview, before Infosys interview, I wrote about myself first within 2 to 3 pages. What I know about myself, how to represent about myself to anyone if someone asks me. Then that time I noted. Then second part, most part is about my hobby and interest. That is also most important. Whenever interviewer asks me, tell me about yourself. After answering of your question, they will ask you about hobby or interest in most of company. Right. And third part is about your project. About your project. First, what is your project? First question. And what are your role? What are your role, group partners role? And what are the outcomes? These are the common question asked by every interviewer.
Right.
So I wrote down that all question asked by in previous whatever asked in for previous company. Then after that, these are now move on technical portion. Technical portion, they ask basic question from C programming, Java, and what are latest technologies. For example, interviewer asked me in Infosys, interviewer asked me what do you know about SDLC? Earlier I don't know, but I learned that about SDLC, basic SDLC.
Right.
So I'm able to answer that moment. And after that, I learned basic about Python. In CV, I didn't mention about Python, but interviewer asked me from question from Python. Right. What is Python? Why Python is different? Why we need Python rather than Java? Okay. And what is cloud computing? And what is artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc. And the basic concept of OOPS. And basic OOPS concept asked in every interviewer.
Right. That's the most important topic actually.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. In every company, interviewer asks me what do you know about OOPS concept? Right. And basic about Java, C, Java, OOPS concept, SDLC. These are the most important. And some regarding some latest technology like IoT, cloud computing. Basic, what is cloud computing? What is artificial intelligence, machine learning? That's all. And after that, I prepare HR question. HR question, they ask me why you want to join, why I hire you, and they give me some situation like problem that if you are in a team and you are team leader and you have I given you to some project and you already delay your project 50 days, then what to do? Then currently what you give answer to me if I'm your boss. Right. There's such type of situation like problem. They ask me 1, 2, 3 questions, and after that, why not other company? Why not other company? And what makes you different from other candidates? So that's why I will hire you. Okay. These are the question asked me in Infosys, and these are the same question asked by other company from me to in different interviews. The previous so
like Accenture, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, yes, you told me, and IBM, you told me. So in all those companies, the interviewer used to ask you the same type of questions, right?
Yes,
but
yes.
At that time, you were not prepared, and with the time you given the interview with Infosys company, you were prepared with all those things, right? So you learned from your mistakes.
Yes, ma'am. Before interview, I wrote down everything of what I did mistake. What is the question asked by interviewer? So these are the common question asked by interviewer in previous interview.
Okay.
So I'm able to answer in Infosys interview. I'm able to answer all that question.
Right. So this is really a great thing, guys. I really want to tell you, you are a motivation. You really give motivation to all the candidates, because after so many rejections, guys, most of the candidates, they thought कि यार ये अपने से नहीं होने वाला है. Let's leave it.
Yes, sir.
But I must say,
from last.
Yes.
Yes, from one more question I want to add, ma'am. One more important question, ma'am. In past interview, in every interviewer asked me about any question. Then I said no question. Oh. That is the biggest mistake I did earlier. Right. That means one day I Googled that if interviewer asks me any question, then what to answer, what type of question I have to ask. That simply so that if you say no, means you are not interested in that company. So if you answer every question, then after that you say no, means you are not interested. So most possibility that they will reject you.
Right. So this time you asked some question with the Infosys interview.
Yes, ma'am. I asked just 2-3 questions that sir, what are the job role I will get? This COVID time, what type of training I will get? And last, I asked them that, sir, if you want to give me any tips that I will improve myself in further interview, so that it will help me too. So then interview said, no, it's okay. The way you describe project is excellent, and your communication is also good, and your technical ability skill is also good. So that's why no any suggestion. Okay, good luck. Great. That's the indication that you are selected.
So that's what I was saying. Ki after so many rejections, candidates used to get nervous कि यार अब हमारा क्या होगा. But you worked on your skills, and the most important thing, guys, बहुत ही important चीजें यहाँ पर किशन ने share की हैं. for all those candidates who are preparing for their interviews, right? तो किस तरह से इन्होंने प्रिपरेशन किया वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे किशन से। किशन, कैसे आपने वर्कआउट किया, लाइक आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पर आपने किस तरह से वर्क किया, एंड प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल्स पर कैसे वर्क किया आपने?
Ma'am, first I answer about my programming skill, how I improve that. Ma'am, just I learned any one programming language. During my college curriculum, I am from EC background. During my college curriculum, I also learned C programming and Java. So C is easier for me to write a code. So that's why I learned C programming. I just recall C programming. I learned during my college day. So I improve any one language, that is C programming language. I'm able to write code from that.
Right.
And rest of C, Java, and Python, I learn basic about it, OOPS concept. So that's why I'm able to answer from that if you interview ask from there.
Right. Because it is little bit difficult for non-CS IT candidates to get through with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
programming questions. But if
Yes,
basic questions रहते हैं, like during HR interviews, the interviewer will just check your basic concepts. Okay, so
Just basic.
Yes, most important is OOPS concepts, as Kishan told us, and so many interview experiences I used to tell you guys ki OOPS concept is the most important thing. And after that, if you know about cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, because these are the basic and new technologies, so you should have basic knowledge about all this, right? Okay, so Kishan, now really it's a very informative video, and now I would like to from your side कि आपको जो shortlisting का mail था वो कब आया, selection mail?
Ma'am, just after written, after 10 days, 10 days from written exams, I got shortlisted mail that I just congratulations, you cleared the written test. Okay. For Infosys examination. And after 10 to 15 days, I got interview mail. And after 10 days from interview, I got the survey mail. And after the survey mail, after one day, I got offer letter from Infosys. Offer and joining letter both.
Okay, both. So you are joining this company from 26th of July.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so great, guys. It's a really good, and we are really grateful that you came here and share your experience with us. Because if you are also facing any rejections, don't get depressed, don't get disappointed. Work on your skills, work on your communication skills, your basic programming knowledge. At least prepare one programming knowledge. As Kishan told us that at least you have to learn at least one programming language so that you can crack IT company. Along with that, your communication skills and your confidence. And all the list of questions that Kishan shared with us. So guys, these are the very basic and common questions. And after so many rejections, like he has attended almost 8 to 9 companies. Accenture, Wipro, HCL, IBM, Tech Mahindra, and TCS, right?
Yes, ma'am. My first interview from TCS.
So he has experience of all the companies actually. So सभी companies के experience के बाद he got shortlisted with Infosys company because he learned from his mistakes. उन्होंने अपनी mistakes से सीखा कि क्या-क्या mistakes मैं कर रहा हूँ, and he worked on all those things, and then he came up. So this is a really great thing that he did. So Kishan, anything else you want to share with us? Any tips like for all other candidates, resume tips or any other tips?
Yes, ma'am. First, I want to tell about a resume tip. Ma'am, before attending an interview, first make resume what you know. Never show any fake thing. You know Python, you know that things, and you mention. And regarding your hobby interest, right? In Accenture interview, I mentioned that my hobby is learning technology. And interview asked me which technology you know. Then I answer that that time that time I am not able to answer that moment. I just first say what I have to say. So that a big mistake. And resume part, whatever you mention, you have to have depth knowledge, because interviewer asks anything from that your resume. And for a communication skill, just read newspaper. Nothing to practice more and more. Just read a half hour, 1.5 hours, just at least 30 minutes per day. You have to read any English newspaper. That will have to improve communication skill.
Right.
And whenever you attend interview, just show your confidence high. At that moment, if you not able to answer, you just see here and there. That means that's so that your competence level is low. So that's why they never select you. And in Infosys interview, most important is communication skill and confidence. If you're not able to answer, it's not a big deal.
Okay.
Interviewer also told me that they asked me one technical question. That moment I forget that answer. But interviewer told me that no problem, it is not a big issue. At that moment you are not able to answer, but you know I know. One question doesn't matter that your selection or rejection.
Okay.
Just to show confidence, sir, I know, but I will give you I will give you answer. But if you permit me, I will give answer in some time. So that's so that you know about that.
Right.
So, and then yes, ma'am. Then after that, yeah, the communication, HR part. HR part is most important. You have to learn. And for basic if in every interview, I mentioned that I know only C programming. But interviewer asked me say question from C, core Java. They never ask in every interview. They never ask me what any question from C programming. They ask me question from Java.
Yes.
Java.
Because nowadays Java and Python is in demand actually.
Yes,
That's why they used to ask questions from Python and Java languages.
Basic question that I've ever found Google. If you search about basic interview question from Java and Python, just basic question they ask, not to depth question. They ask me from Java. They also ask question from Python.
Yes.
I learned that question. I able to answer that moment. And yes, ma'am. And after I practice pseudocode in written examination. In each and every company examination, they ask the pseudo question, and there are some weightage at that. So I prepare pseudo code from just search Google about question pseudo code practice question, and I practice pseudo code question.
Okay.
So
great.
that's all.
Yes. Very nice. So Kishan, it's really nice to have you on our channel, and I'm sure guys this video is going to be helpful to all of you because he has shared all his mistakes as well. क्या mistakes वो कर रहे थे previously and how he worked on all those mistakes, how he correct them and come up and gave the interview for Infosys company and he got shortlisted. Guys, he belonged to a non-CS IT branch. Even then he cracked an IT company for the Infosys, and Infosys is one of the really good company to work with. For freshers, at least this is a really good company. They provide really good training. So guys, I'm sure ये video बहुत useful रहेगा आप सभी के लिए, and please do share this video with as many people as you can, because if you are able to know what mistakes you are doing, you can analyze your interviews as well. Because जो mistakes किशन ने की थी वो उन्होंने share की आपसे, अगर आप भी same mistake कर रहे हैं तो you can improve all those things. You can improve yourself and go for an interview that will really give you an advantage here. And Kishan, congratulations for your achievement with Infosys company.
Thank you.
And all the best for your career ahead. Okay, I'm sure you will get a really good career in your future because you know how to learn from your mistakes. And that is the most important thing actually. So really, really nice to talk to you. And I'm sure all my subscribers and viewers, they would like to congratulate you for your achievement. And please guys, yes, please guys do subscribe to the channel for all such latest information from my side. I regularly try to keep on touch with all different branch candidates and sharing their experiences with you all so that you all get motivation, how you need to prepare yourself and how you need to learn from your mistakes. Okay, so I'm sure this video is going to be very, very helpful. Guys, we'll meet in another video with a new update. Thank you.
Thank you.